never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.
They say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true.
Haven't you ever had a dream? Something you wanted so bad you'd do anything?
I want adventure in the great wide somewhere. I want it more than I can
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to.
Where I long to.
What is wrong with me? When you find the sky and sea, it calls. I want adventure in my head someday.
Give me one day out there. All I ask is one to hold forever out there. Where
Now you remember, that old star can only take you part of the way. You gotta help along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I could and I'm almost there. I remember Daddy told me fairy tales do come true, but you gotta make them happen in your family. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gonna come in everywhere and I
Will today be the day? Be ready to fly. Continue to try.
come on, everybody. Here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squalls.
We can be immortals, immortals, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast, take you by surprise. It's more than Mama's proud time.
Son, don't I?
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, and scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
stand together. And that's how we'll finish it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más, hay que crecer, parte y volver, hacia adelante seguirás, ya son milagros, rompiendo crisálida, hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más, hay que crecer, parte y volver, to fly apart, to reunite, what could surround you. Just let the walls come down, don't need to be fight, wait till tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we can ride. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we can ride. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.